Hello peoples of the internet, and welcome to another video where today I will be showing how my trusty Microsoft keyboard 200 with its old fatigue membranes compares to this Dell AT102W. This one I don't believe it's supposed to have the metal plate being a later model, but I'm just looking in the back and hope I can show you this. There you see a bit of shiny metal there. Now I found that odd, but this does have some decent heft to it, and it's got some shiny metal there. I can see some engraved from the inside of the keys as well, so maybe it's got the metal plate modded in there or something, I don't know. And I'll also be comparing it to this, which I'm holding it quite down. It's a Trust 17185 as I went off the back, so I can't remember this stuff all the time. And then I'll be comparing it to the keyboard on my gaming machine. Since, you know, it might be interesting to see a chick with a keyboard thrown in there, and it's not typically the kind of keyboard I would buy, because I like bigger and better keyboards. So, what being said, get into it. Okay, so to conclude, it's a dead tie between the Dell AT102W and my laptop's built-in chiclet keyboard. Both of them got me 39 words per minute. I wouldn't go any higher than that. I think my brain's just too stupid. In third, we had the Microsoft Keyboard 200, which got 37 words per minute. And then we had the Trust, whatever it's called, 17 something, got 36 words per minute. Sorry, my mind just went blank there. So, to conclude, the Dell is the keyboard I like the most, but you can be equally quick on a membrane keyboard, I guess. It's a decent membrane keyboard. Although I'm not the biggest fan of chiclet keyboards, so who knows why I was the quickest on the chiclet. Some things we'll just never know. Goodbye. Okay, so after using all four of the